Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We are making a delicious pineapple upside down cake. I have half a stick of butter, quarter cup. We are going to put it into the oven and melt it. In the meantime, we will get started on our wet mixture. I need half a cup of butter, softened. Alright y'all, I've got half a cup of butter, which is one stick. It's supposed to be softened. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of white sugar. 1, 2, almost plenty. I think it should be fine because the pineapple juice, I'm going to put a little pineapple juice in there and that should have plenty in there. We're just going to beat this up. Let's say that's pretty whipped. Creamy. I can try one more time. We're going to go with that, y'all. Now we're going to add in 1 egg at a time. Whip that up. Room temp. I didn't take them out enough time, so I put them on the hot counter for the stove. Oh, nice. I'm not even going to try to do one hand. It's usually not very good. Whip this in and pour in vanilla. About a teaspoon of vanilla or more. Oh, mix that in. Good enough. Now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of flour. Got a half scoop here. 1. Recipe says to do in separate bowls. We're not doing that. I don't want to do separate bowls today. 1.5, and I'm just going to mix it on top. Oh my. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Thank you, Lord. I'm just gonna do 2. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's not much. We're gonna mix that in. I wonder why the milk is at the bottom. I'm gonna start to drain these pineapples. Oh, it's not that much juice, so that's perfect. Oh, just kidding. Alright y'all, this I just pulled it out the oven. I'm going to scrape off this butter sugar mixture off of my spatula. We're going to put this butter up the sides a bit, because this is going to be the greasing of the pan. Nice and greased up. Oh, spilling butter everywhere. Careful y'all, this is hotter than a firecracker. Now we're just gonna go in with our pineapple before we mix this. It's pretty dejuicified. I love pineapple upside down cake. It's one of my faves. Okay, let's see how many we can fit. I'll eat a little bit. Delicious. And the gal put some on the sides, but I've never done that. Okay, now we've got a ton on there. Now my recipe only calls for half a cup of milk. I tell y'all what, in some stores it's hard to find these cherries. They've got them in so many different areas. And this isn't in a glass jar. Weird. Thought that was very strange. Okay, and these have stems too. So take those off. Add as many or as little as you want. You don't even have to add them. They're just very cute. These stems actually make it really easy to get out of here. Cherries aren't my favorite, but they're really cute in this. I'm hoping all of this will fit in this dish. Cute. Okay, lots of stems. We're gonna set these cherries aside. That's plenty. Set this little cutie over here. I think we're gonna add a splash of milk. We're just gonna mix this with the mixer, nice and easy, and pour some of this pineapple juice in as well. If it's not thick enough, I'll add a little more flour, and if it's too thick, I'll add a little more juice. We're improvising a bit. I think I added everything, right? Oh my gosh, I forgot the brown sugar. Hold up. We gotta fix this, y'all. Okay, we'll fix it. I was wondering why it looks so light in color, you know? Jiminy Christmas. You don't even know. This is gonna be a mess. We're gonna put them back in here. Set them aside, y'all. Alright, you get that butter in there. Now you want to sprinkle in, it says half a cup of brown sugar. This has so much sugar in it, y'all, I wasn't even worrying about the lack of white sugar. Ain't no need to worry about all that. Now I'm just going in with my fingers because they're already pineappled up. And the more butter and brown sugar you put, the more of this juicy syrup that's gonna drip down and stuff. It's so good, y'all. All right, let's put them back. I'm getting both hands in there now. We're really in it. Ain't no need to worry. Calm down, fix it, make it how it needs. No need to worry. It's even fitting better than it was. Now we're talking. There we go. All right, y'all. Now I think this could use a little more liquid. Pineapple is delicious. This is a sweet dessert, but it's not chocolate. Sometimes we crave chocolate. Sometimes we want something a little different. This looks like a ton of batter. Hopefully it'll fit. Now this looks plenty thick, plenty dry. If y'all watched the cupcake video we made, that was super liquidy. She said it was fine, but yikes, right? Pour it over. Oh, I don't want to lose that cherry. Carefully cover it up. Get all this deliciousness out, and we should be good to go. We're gonna bake this beauty at 350 for 45 minutes, I believe. It said 30 minutes uncovered, 15 minutes covered. We don't want her drying out. I'm gonna put full on the bottom too because I don't want this to leak out and make a fat stinky mess. So let's get her in the oven. All right, y'all, this baked for a while. I made a little indent in the middle. The bottom looks delicious besides this one little section I burnt. I put it in different spots of the oven, which was definitely interesting. With a butter knife, I'm just gonna scrape the sides here, the edges, make sure hopefully we don't get much sticking. Hot and delicious. Oh my goodness, y'all. I might store it back in this dish after I wash it, but we're gonna flip it onto my cutting board under some parchment. So we cover her up, pick her up, grab the handles, flip her. Oh yeah. Did you see that release, y'all? That was gorgeous. Still a little warm. The recipe will be linked down below. Now this little burnt bit, it actually looks like it's gonna stick to the pan. This looks beautiful. Y'all ready? Oh, lovely. Oh, the pineapple's burning a little bit. That one little mess up is gonna ruin this, man. Come on, it's gonna drag it. I'm just gonna have to peel it off. Okay. And it's not too bad. It's on the pineapple, so it's gonna be delicious. Caramelized. Look at that. Boom, good as new. Ooh, y'all, I love pineapple upside down cake so bad. Such a delicious dessert, y'all. All right, check this beauty out. Oh, that's how I feel. Oh my goodness. I should have put a cherry in here, but that is totally okay. So good, y'all. Even that little bite is gonna be phenomenal. Oh, so cute, you guys. I'm so excited to give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider giving this video a like, follow us along for more, subscribe. We really appreciate y'all. We love cooking. We love creating delicious food and meals together. It just really means a lot to us, and we appreciate y'all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Even with the little burnt imperfection, it's still going to be beautiful, y'all. It's still going to be outstanding. Should we give this a little taste? I got to, y'all. Let's do it. Tiny spoon for a tiny taste. We'll eat a chunk right here. Bon appetit. Oh, so excited. This corner is probably cuter. Let's try it. We'll get this messed up corner right here. Ready? Digging in, y'all. We're going to get a little bit bigger than a tiny piece. Wow, y'all, that cake looks incredible. So soft and delicious. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Forget about it. It's hot. Yes, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day to me. I hope my husband likes this. I don't know if he's ever had it, but it's one of my favorites, and we have something special for him. I appreciate y'all for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try. We appreciate y'all. I hope you guys have a great time spending time with those you love, doing the things you love, and eating the things you love. Appreciate y'all. Peace out. Bye, guys. Bon appetit.